This is John with HookahJohn.com. On there, I hear all this noise. Do you hear all that?
Yeah.
Let's go. I want to see who's in my packing area. It sounds like there's a bunch of. It sounds like a party. It's Friday afternoon, and the place is closed now. And all these guys are sitting here talking about something. Hey guys, how's it going? What are you guys doing here?
Oh, we're doing good, man.
Just packing bowls in
It's
new
time again.
and ways.
What are you doing here?
Trying out some of the new Serbetli lineup. If you guys haven't had this, come grab some of this for sure. I have not had this flavor, but I just picked up 3 or 4 of the other ones that I had at the expo.
You tried these? Yeah.
Ooh, that smells real good. A lemon cake's bomb.
Yeah, lemon cake is probably my favorite out of the lineup I've had so far.
I like it.
Hey,
Can
Patrick,
you-
stop trying to sell it.
I know.
Just
Just go with the flow. This is
Yeah.
HookahJohn. This isn't a commercial or anything. I just want to see.
By the way, I don't
out
get
there.
paid for any of this. It's
Yeah.
just great stuff.
He's actually paying us to be.
No,
in the
they were
video.
at
$20.
We were at the at Hookah Expo Worldwide 3. They came out and they revamped their whole line. So all of this is fresh, new packaging, new flavors. Big Turkish brand, hugely popular in Russia from what I hear. And
Yeah.
I opened this the other
Cut's
day.
amazing. You guys can kind of see it in there.
The reason I opened it the other day was because I was filming a video for them, but I didn't like the way it came out. Then I heard all this stuff. I knew these guys were sitting here packing Serbetli, so I wanted to show them that. Here, talk a little bit more about it. I'm going to move through you here.
Go for it, John.
And
Yeah, I mean, for you guys, I don't like comparing any other like tobacco brands, but great blonde leaf, great blonde leaf cut. You guys can hear my boy Anthony in the back over there. You guys should come visit him. He gets real lonely over here at HA headquarters. So, but no, it's a great blonde leaf. It smokes great. I mean, not comparing it to anyone else, but Cloud's up there with the great brands like Eternal, Trifecta. Yeah, loving it.
you just said you weren't going to say other brands. I was saying other brands. Here's another one that you guys should try. This is the ice cream mint, I think. I don't have my glasses on. Oh, no, the ice cream apple. Ice cream apple. That one we tried too. It's pretty good. So try it out. They're going to be at HEW Quattro. All right. Are you going to be at HEW Quattro?
Oh, for damn sure.
All right. Actually, we're going to stop this and then we'll get in smoking it and talking about it a little bit.
Yep.
All right. Let's get it going.
Cool.
Hit stop. And... All right. All right.
He loves those close-ups, huh?
Are you going to record?
I'm
You're
already recording.
All right. I don't know what happened, but it's takeover. We just closed. Everything's done for the day. And these guys in here want to try something new. So they went over. The first thing they saw was Serbetli today. Right? So what are we thinking? You got it smoking for the last few minutes?
Yeah, iced citrus mango. Very, very true to its flavor. Incredibly well done. You guys can see clouds are great.
Dude,
Coals are amazing.
YouTube reviewer over here.
I know. People
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Typical YouTube.
I don't know about 10 out of 10. I don't know about 10 out of 10. Here you go.
Let's see.
4 Coal Gang.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, they're kind of small already though.
it's good though.
Yeah.
Very, very well done.
I would use cubes on this, not cubettes, but we didn't specify that for them.
If you did use cubes,
You
you'd
don't-
probably pull down to 3.
Hey, how was Serbetli when they brought in Carl Wolf at Hookah Expo Worldwide?
They got it lit. They got it lit.
That was hilarious.
I think
dude.
next year we're probably gonna have more people just for all the shit they threw into the crowd.
Yeah, yeah. Some serious talent that they brought in. So Carl Wolf, so shout out to Carl Wolf. Shout out to Serbetli. That's it. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my evening before I gotta go home and sleep like an old man. All right, I'll see you guys later.
Find the bottle of wine, right?
Yeah.